The second phase of the COVID-19 vaccination drive has already begun in India, and many people are still unaware of how the two vaccines, Covaxin and Covishield, are different from each other. The second phase began on March 1st, in which people over the age of 60 and those who above 45 can take the life-saving shots. Currently, the government has not allowed people to decide which vaccine they want to get, but the result of the first phase clearly suggests that both the vaccines being vaccinated in India are safe and effective. Well, we have compiled all the information to give you a better understanding of the formulation and every other detail about the vaccine you are going to get to stay safe from the coronavirus. Now, friends, we are just going to teach and going to inform you about the two vaccines. So, friends, continue with this video and just know about the total information. Now, the developer. Covaxin has been developed by Hyderabad based Bharat Biotech International Limited in association with the Indian Council of Medical Research ICMR and the National Institute of Virology NIV. Covishield has been developed by the Oxford AstraZeneca and is being manufactured by the Serum Institute of India SII. Now friends, we're going to know about the type of vaccine. Covaxin is an inactivated vaccine which has been prepared on the tried and tested platform of dead viruses. This vaccine is developed with whole virus inactivated virocell drive technology. They contain inactivated viruses which cannot infect a person but still can teach the immune system to prepare a defense mechanism against the active virus. These conventional vaccines have been in use for decades now. There are vaccines for some other disease as well as made using the same technology. These diseases are different types of disease. Now we know about these disease like that. Just example, seasonal influenza, rabies, polio. Covishield has been prepared using the viral vector platform, which is totally different technology. A chimpanzee enterovirus CHAD0X1 has been modified to enable it to carry the COVID-19 spike protein into the cells of humans. Well, these cold virus is basically incapable of infecting the receiver but can very well teach the immune system to prepare a mechanism against the such viruses. The exact technology was used to prepare vaccines for the virus like Ebola. Now friends, know about the doses. There is no difference between the two vaccines in terms of doses. Both of them follow a 2-dose administered 28 days apart. Now, it is very important topic, the efficiency. Both the vaccines have shown more than satisfactory results ever since the vaccinated started in India. The effectiveness of the Covishield vaccine is nearly 90% as per global reports, and Covaxin's 81% according to the interim third phase trial result. Covishield, on the other hand, has shown a very satisfactory efficiency of 62%. Now, we going to know about the side effects. After injecting the vaccine, you may experience pain at the site of injection. Some people also experience side effects such as headache, joint pain. These side effects do not persist for long and generally goes within a day or two. So, friends, just we know about the approvals. Covaxin has been granted a restricted use authorization in clinical trial mode, while Covishield has been allowed for restricted use in emergency situation that can potentially prevent coronavirus infection in people aged 18 years and above. However, the Drugs Controller General of India DGCI has not given a market use authorization clearance to any of the vaccines till now. Just we know about the prices of the vaccines. Both the vaccine are being vaccinated free of cost of government health setups. The government has put a price capping of 250 per dose for private hospital and the clinics. If you go for suppose that you are going for vaccination in a private clinics, then you will pay 250 rupees. Now just going to we know that which types of vaccine are. Both Covaxin and Covishield are intramuscular vaccines. It is not a intravenous. Covishield has been approved for people aged 18 years and above, while Covaxin can give to people aged 12 years and above. There, however, is not any assurance if the vaccine can be given to children and pregnant women. So friends, please like and subscribe my channel.